I'm a little scared.
Me too. You're in good company then.
Where do I hold?
Do you want to do it?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to do it. I really want to do this, but I'm so scared. Why are we doing this? No, 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 no.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
It's gonna be insane. Welcome to the GoPro Creator Summit.
Look at me, I can't speak.
Where you don't die.
Oh my god.
But things happen. I never signed up for this shit. Oh wow, so simple. Look at that, they're gone already. But I'm very vocal, Michael.
Okay.
Oh! Michael!
Yes.
You're the man! Hold your thing,
Don't
man.
tell me what to do.
Michael!
You feeling okay?
I'm good, Michael.
Alright.
No. No, I don't want to do it. I swear I don't want to do it. I really want to do it. Oh! Hello, baby. Look at this. What are you doing? Bro, I've done this before. Oh my god, yeah!
Larissa, look up.
We kind of can't find it. Hi. Hello. And just like that, I have pushed my potential again. And how? It's not easy, but also not impossible. Like I said, at least I didn't die.